Welcome back. In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to disable message notification sounds on Facebook web using your PC, especially after the latest update where settings have slightly changed. If you're tired of hearing that constant message sound while working or browsing, this setting will help you stay focused without completely turning off notifications. Let's get straight into it. First, open Facebook in your browser. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings properly. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see the notifications icon. Go ahead and click on it. When the notifications panel opens, look for the three dots in the top corner of that panel. Click on those three dots to open more options. From the drop-down menu, select Notification Settings. This will take you to a dedicated page where you can control how Facebook alerts you. Now, scroll down through the settings until you find the section labeled Browser. This is where Facebook manages how notifications behave while you're using it on your computer. Under this section, look for the option that says Play a sound when a message is received. By default, this is usually turned on. Simply click the toggle to turn it off. Once disabled, you will no longer hear a sound whenever you receive a new message, but you'll still see the notification visually. This is perfect if you want fewer distractions without missing important messages completely. And that's it. You've successfully turned off message notification sounds on Facebook web. If this helped you, make sure to stay tuned for more quick and easy tutorials just like this.